Hi everyone, it's Sue Clear from She's Wired. Today we're going to talk about the AirTag. So what's an AirTag? An AirTag is this cool little device that you can see how small it is when you compare it to my hands and my eyes and stuff. That allows you to track things. Today we're going to talk about how to put them on your keys, but you could throw this into your purse, your suitcase, your briefcase, anything you want to track your child. I'm not saying you should, but anyway, it is basically a tracking device. It's small enough to fit in a lot of different places. So what we're going to do today is just to keep it simple. We're going to set it up in your iPhone, or in my iPhone today, and we're going to talk about then how you then can pair it and then find whatever it's attached to. So we're going to locate my keys or the tracker once we get it set up. So here's how it works. The first thing you're going to want to do is get that AirTag next to your iPhone. By putting it near it or next to it, that proximity will automatically trigger the AirTag window to pop up just like you see here. It is that simple. If it doesn't pop up, you're going to want to turn your phone off with the right button. Just turn it off as if you're dimming, and then turn it back on and log in. And this white AirTag window should pop up from the bottom and allow you to connect. Go ahead and tap the continue button, and you'll be given an option to name the AirTag. If you take your finger on the screen and scroll, you'll see some options that you can choose from. You'll also be able to put a custom name on there. For today, we're just going to go ahead and tap on the keys option. And once you make that choice, tap on continue. And that's going to take us to a place where we're going to register our AirTag with the Apple ID. That ensures that it becomes ours. Tap continue, and it will show you that it's now your keys, which is great. That's a big plus. And it's going to start the setup of the keys to your iPhone, which is what we're doing here. When it's done setting up, it's going to present you with a screen that allows you to see where it is on a map. You can also play a sound on it if you're trying to find the keys, the AirTag that are attached to the keys, and you can get directions to it using a map. What we want to do at this point is tap on the View in Find My App button, and that's going to switch us over to the actual Find My app that will show you exactly where those keys are located. You can see it on the map here with the little key, and it shows Sue's keys. Tap on Sue's keys, and you're going to get the option to play a sound. If you tap on that, the AirTag will play a sound, and then you can also do a find nearby. When you tap that, you're going to get this cool little interface that basically is trying to tell you where to go. And all of a sudden, it's going to locate where those keys are, and this is telling me to go 7 feet ahead, and I need to start walking and follow that arrow in that direction. And as I deviate or get away from it, it changes. But as soon as I get nearby, it allows me to get closer and closer and closer, and boom, all of a sudden I'm going to find that AirTag and I'm going to find my keys. And here they are. It's just the AirTag, but you can see it found them. They were hiding behind my sunglasses. So, what do you do when you do lose your keys and it has an AirTag on it? Well, you're going to want to launch the Find My app. This is what it looks like. This is what the app on your iPhone looks like. And it is called Find My. A lot of us knew it by Find My iPhone or Find My phone. It's now just called Find My because there's so many more things we can find with this app. Tap once on the Find My app, and it's going to launch. And at the bottom, tap Items, and you should see your keys, and then tap on Play Sound. Do you hear that sound? If you can hear it in your house, that means you might be able to find your keys. If you can't hear that sound, tap on Find and go through the process of letting the Find My app walk you or map you or take you directly to where your keys are located. Remember to follow the arrow as best as you can until it actually finds your keys. The next thing I wanted to show you was how you take your AirTag, and you can get one of the really cool car AirTag key holders, so I got this really cool blue leather one, which I really like. And what's nice about this one, it's really easy. It's just a button, basically. That you just open the button, and this guy's going to slide right in there. and then we just snap the button, and then you can just go ahead and put your keys on this, which is really great. I can pop this open. This guy slides right out pretty easily, which is great. There's all kinds of other ones. I bought these sort of colorful options, which I thought might be nice if I wanted to attach it to something, like in my luggage or in my briefcase or something. They come in lots of different colors, and they just pop in and snap on. But it lets you, when you buy a 4-pack of AirTags, it lets you use them for your keys, for your luggage, for, I don't know if you want to put it on your kid, but it could be a lot of fun. So that's how you set up the AirTag from Apple. I'm going to definitely keep this attached to my keys. I think it's pretty valuable, so get one. It's inexpensive to go ahead and at least get one of these and set it up. And I hope that today's how-to will help you get yours set up very easily. Have a great day.